Hello everyone. I just want to update about yesterday. Yesterday, Dee and I planned to visit Rajgir, and as I can say that, we did our favorite trip, yesterday, and then बाटोमा जाँदा जाँदै हामीले चाहिँ यो भ्यूहरू लिएको थियो किनभने हामीले चाहिँ प्लान गऱ्यो कि हामी वैभव हिल भन्ने छ राजगिरमा त्यहाँ घुमौँ ल भनेर गयो होइन बाटोमा जाँदा जाँदै चाहिँ यो भ्यूहरू मजाले लिएको थिएँ मजा आयो यो भ्यूहरू चाहिँ एज यु क्यान सी द इट वाज सो रिफ्रेसिङ फर बोथ अफ अस एन्ड जाँदा जाँदै हामीले प्लान के अरे गाडी रोक्दै रोक्दै अर्को ठाउँमा गएर चाहिँ हामी स्प्राइटहरू किनेर खाँदै भ्यूसँग किन I was just enjoying the view and finally we got to our destinations. And I just want to tell short thing about this place. This place is considered as hot water park, refers to the town, famous clusters of natural hot spring rather than the modern made springs. And then as you can see Vaibhav Hilko entry ma चाहिँ यसरी हामी गएको थियो हैन. And then this place Vaibhav Hills Rajgir is the believe that it is for both the Buddhism and rich in the history. And this site is also known as being the site of religious pilgrimage, and it's also considered as it is also famous for the hot spring. And it also believed that it has a healing properties, that hot water has a healing properties. Some beliefs are there, and they just go there and they'll take a bath, and then you can see the beautiful view. And historically also it was part of ancient Rajgira, the capital of Madhya Empire, and was visited by both the Lord Buddha and Mahavira. Just that kind of belief are there, and then it is also believed that this place, as the Buddha is believed to have spent time meditating and preaching, in this particular place भन्छ हैन. यहाँ चाहिँ भिजिटहरू गर्दै रहेछ. And then at the same time it considered that the best time to visit is during the cooler month भन्छ कि. अन्त त्यही भएर चाहिँ हामी चाहिँ सेप्टेम्बर टु अप्रिलसम्म चाहिँ सच बिकज यहाँ चाहिँ हामी वक गरेर माथि हिलसम्म जानुपर्छ नि त. अन्त तपाईँले देख्नुभयो होला फोटोतिर दिदीसँग होइन. यहाँदेखि चाहिँ I can see that from here between the hot water and there is a most refreshing place. The view of the from the mountain made me such a peaceful experience. दिदी र मैले त्यहाँ गएर मेडिटेसनहरू पनि गरेँ होइन. Because it was such a beautiful experience, and from the top of the hill one can get a panoramic view of Rajgir and surrounding area also. And we can see miles and miles from the area of Rajgir from top of the hills. And especially the cool fresh air on top of the hill was it was so beautiful, like I can't express in a word. And त्यसको बादमा चाहिँ हामी रिटर्न हुनुभयो किनभने हामी त अब ब्याक टु प्लेस हुनु पऱ्यो नि त. टाढो थियो होइन. त्यहाँदेखि मजाले लास्टमा हामीले फोटोहरू लियो. त्यसरी चाहिँ हामी दिदी गयो. त्यहाँदेखि फेरि ब्याक टु आवर ब्युटिफुल प्लेस वेयर वी अलवेज गो द्याट रेस्टुरेन्ट रसोई. अन्त त्यहाँ गएर चाहिँ दिदीले त्यसै भ्यू रेस्टुरेन्टको भ्यूहरू हेर्नु सक्नुहुन्छ होला. त्यहाँ गएर एज युजल हामीलाई जुन चाहिँ फेभरेट छ त्यो खाना खायो. लास्टमा डेजर्ट चाहिँ आइसक्रिम खाएर चाहिँ त्यहाँदेखि दिदी र म फेरि बात गर्दै गर्दै गएर गाडीबाट ब्याक टु आवर प्लेस लाग्छ अलमोस्ट 1 घन्टाभन्दा पनि बेसी बाटो. त्यहाँदेखि फाइनली हामी आफ्नो प्लेस गयो. एन्ड इट वाज